Welcome to Review with the Brew Point of View. The Suzuki S-Cross. The front has completely changed. It's still the same chassis, but this new grille, the layout of the lights, and look at the trapezium styling. Yeah, this looks far more modern, far more sleek. LED lights are automatic, you've got high beam assist, and some little fogs down there. The styling's always been an impressive one, but this just takes it to a whole new level. Semi-clamshell bonnet, some chunky cladding, and 17-inch wheels. And there's one engine to choose from, and that's the K14D, and that's got mild hybrid technology. Economy, well, it's increased on this one because they've managed to reduce the weight. So on combined, it's around 50 to the gallon, but even me driving around in sport mode, I'm getting just over 41. It's engaging, it's fun, and it's got some really good looks. It's definitely a step up for the S-Cross. It'll be interesting to see if we see the powertrain that's in the Vitara. It's a full hybrid system, because the bottom line is this is still mild hybrid, but you will have the electric motor at lower speeds, and it supports things like your lights, your aircon, and also enhances acceleration if you floor it, because this vehicle doesn't even have lag anyway. Well, marginal, but that's what the booster jet's been known for. It's a damn good engine, hence why it's still going. We've got 6-speed manual, but you can get an automatic. This trim level is the Ultra. You can also get a Motion. The Motion starts at around 25,000 and this one is 30. But you do pay around £500 for a paint job, but that's only if you want metallic. And look, keyless entry. Inside has been refreshed too. Infotainment screen's now there as opposed to it being integrated. You've got your dual zone climate, some storage points, and this is an SX4 and all grip. Hard plastics throughout, but it's also got soft touches. Now I do like this refreshed look. And if you press this button on the infotainment screen, then you can see the economy. And it goes into quite a bit of detail. If you want to change your little fuel computer in the center, you press that. And there's some shortcut buttons here. We've got an engine start stop, and that's how you operate your all grip system. Auto, snow, and my favorite, sport. Center armrest with a storage point and comfortable seats. And you get the premium seats when you go for the Ultra. Another addition with the Ultra, a 360 camera. The build quality is relatively good, and the S-Cross has always boasted decent safety, passive and active. And they've added to that. And the interesting thing is you do get it on both trims. And that includes lane keep assist, blind spot detection, cross traffic monitoring, and the list goes on. We've also got adaptive cruise, and that's on both too. Space wise, well at 6'3", I've got about an inch headroom. In the front, absolutely no problem. Comfortable seats in the rear, and they do recline. No vents and no USBs, but a lovely padded area for your arm. The boot. It's not a bad size, to be honest. And with this raised, it mitigates any of the lip. Shopping bag hooks, 60/40 folding seats, and if you can see from this angle, that's about the level of recline. But it does make a difference to headroom in the back. 12-volt socket, and a really easily removable parcel shelf.